freeintromusic.com layout track.
Hello viewers, welcome to another recipe video. How do you like your eggs in the morning? Try this delicious Spanish omelette recipe. Let us know how you like the recipe in our comments. These are the basic ingredients needed to make this recipe. Take a screenshot and keep them ready before we go into the video. The main ingredient is potatoes. Take 2 medium-sized potatoes and chop them into fine cubes. Cook in boiling water for 10 minutes with half a teaspoon of salt. Next, prepare the other ingredients. Onion, peel them, wash them and chop them into fine pieces. Take 2 ripe tomatoes and chop them finely. Take 10 to 15 button mushrooms and chop them into medium-sized pieces. You should note that the mushrooms will shrink when you cook them, so don't cut them into very small pieces. Chop some spring onion leaves and keep it ready for garnishing. So all the basic ingredients needed are cooked and ready. Optional ingredients are sausages or bacon for someone who loves a heavy protein breakfast. You can chop them into fine pieces. And fry them in oil before preparing the omelette. Now for preparing the omelette, make sure you choose the right cooking pan. It should have a glass lid, preferably, that closes around the edges with an airtight seal. Add about 4 teaspoons of cooking oil. Add the finely chopped onion and tomatoes. Once they are cooked and soft, add the mushrooms. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Should note that for this omelette recipe, only pepper and salt is required. Adding other masalas may change the taste. Cook in low flame. The mushrooms will get cooked by giving away some water. Now add the pre-boiled potatoes. And continue to stir fry in medium flame. Stir fry till all the water evaporates. Make sure to evenly spread the ingredients to all corners of the pot. Layer the sausage or bacon over this. And add raw eggs. You can add as many as 5 eggs in a cooking pan. In this video we have added 7 eggs. Make sure the raw egg covers the surface. Garnish with the chopped spring onions. Now cover the lid and cook in low flame for about 10 minutes. Through the glass, we can see that the omelette is getting cooked. After about 10 minutes, remove the lid and check that the egg is cooked on all sides. Now separate equal portions of the omelette. Make sure you separate it well so that all the layers are included when you take it out of the pan. Delicious Spanish omelette is ready. Try this recipe and like, share and subscribe to our channel. More exciting recipes are on the way. Thanks for watching.